this a little better. There we go. Snowball. That's what we call a snowball. Come on, bring it back, Mel. Oh. Down the canyon of snow. Good girl. Go get it. Come on, bring it back, Mel. Bring it back. You gonna bring the ball? Oh, you got a big snowy face there. All right. Ready? 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 Go get it. Oh, is it stuck? Uh-oh. Well, we'll get it for now, and I gotta get back to shoveling. All right, bye.